In this video, we're going to show you how to assign reviewers to tasks in teamwork.com. This feature is essential for streamlining your workflow, ensuring feedback loops are efficient, and keeping your team organized. By the end of this video, you'll be able to assign reviewers with ease, and we'll even throw in some tips to make your project management a whole lot smoother. Stick with me. What we're going to cover will save you a ton of time and effort. Now, before we dive in, did you know you can use Teamwork for free, and we have exclusive bonuses for you? Check the first link below to get started with your free trial. Let's get into it. If you're working on a project and need feedback or approvals, assigning a reviewer to a task in Teamwork helps you streamline that process. To assign a reviewer, go to the task you want to assign, click on it to open the task details. You'll see the Assignees section where you can add the person who's going to be working on the task. But what if you need to add someone who is reviewing rather than working on the task itself? It's simple. Right under the assignee's name, you'll see an option to add a reviewer. When you click this, a search bar will pop up where you can type in the person's name. Once you add them, they'll be notified and they'll be able to leave feedback, mark the task as approved, or request changes. This feature is perfect for teams that require multiple rounds of feedback or need final sign-offs before tasks are marked as complete. You can also use this to assign multiple reviewers to ensure that all perspectives are considered before the task moves forward. What's great about assigning reviewers in Teamwork is the ability to track progress. Teamwork allows you to see when a task has been reviewed and whether changes are needed. It eliminates the need for endless email chains or scattered feedback. Everything is in one place and everyone stays on the same page. One more powerful feature when assigning reviewers is the ability to adjust notification settings. This means that reviewers will get reminders when it's their turn to give feedback or approve a task. This keeps the workflow moving without unnecessary delays. To recap, you simply go to the task, assign the primary assignee, then add a reviewer. You can even assign more than one reviewer if necessary. Everyone gets notified, and you can keep track of the review process all in one place. Now, don't forget, Teamwork offers a ton of project management tools beyond just task assignment. You can manage timelines, set milestones, share files, and integrate with other tools you're using, like Slack and Google Drive. It's all about making your team's workflow as seamless as possible. If you're new to Teamwork, take advantage of the exclusive bonuses we've mentioned. The link in the description below will give you access to a free trial, so you can dive into all the features of the software without any risk. Thanks for watching. And remember, by using the link below, you're getting an extended free trial with Teamwork to help you optimize your task management today. Happy project managing!